welcome back to Deals with Lady P. Today I would like to share with you a video on how to inject a turkey for either frying, roasting, or today this turkey is going to be smoked. And my husband's going to inject it. He has shown me how to inject it, but we all like for him to do this part every holiday. And this turkey is he's going to smoke for a friend. And these are the items that we're going to use. We're going to use some Cajun Injector for Creole butter. He also likes garlic, but we are not able to get the garlic, so he's going to use all Creole butter. He usually mixes the Creole butter along with the garlic butter, but we don't have any garlic butter, so we're just going to use the Creole. And this is one that comes, this is the way it comes, actually comes. It comes with the injector on the side. Your injector is on the side. It's either disposable or you can wash it and use it. We usually dispose it. And this is by the same brand, Cajun Injector. It's a Cajun shake seasoning. And we use this on top and season it with as a rub. Now, it's not going to always come, as you can see on this. It's not going to come with it. Sometimes it do, but most time it don't. You can also find this separate at Bass Pro Shops if you're near one, or Cabela's. We found this at Bass Pro. And we really do like this. Sometimes if I see it, I buy a couple of them. And this is excellent. This works as a rub and you don't have to use anything else but these two seasons. And this is also another injector that we have that my husband's friend purchased for him from Bed Bath & Beyond. This is a nice stainless steel injector. It is excellent. It comes with the case, as you can see. It comes with a nice case. And it also comes with two different size points. Depends on what size or whether you are injecting. And this has a much larger hole. So this is our, I believe it's 11 or 12 pound turkey. These over here is our necks and lizards. Our necks, gizzards, and livers. And we're going to use that for some gravy. So he's going to do the injector, not I. He have shown me how to do it, but we love for him to do it. So this is his part of doing the turkey. He smokes it, he injects it. He's going to smoke it today. We're going to let it sit for 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours, then he's going to smoke it. But normally you can do this overnight and then get up and let it come to room temperature and then put it on your smoker. Or bake, roast, whatever, fry, whatever you're going to do. It's normally an overnight process. But today, he's smoking it and it still have time for the seasoning because it's going to take 4 or 5 hours to smoke. So next you will see some new hands in the video. Okay, now the first thing he's doing, he took the jar that we had that was left over from the previous turkey, and we took that jar and we poured it into a cup by itself. And this is so that it won't contaminate. If you have some leftover, that jar is safe. It's not contaminating it. So you take it out and you put it into a separate. He has a measuring cup here and he puts it into. So this way, if he don't use the rest of it, then that is good to go. So now he's gonna squeeze. He's gonna put. He's gonna pull that juice into the injector. So now he's gonna push down on that injector and pull it up. And as he pull it up, you're gonna see the injector full. Okay. And now he's starting at the top part of the turkey, and you can see it gushing out. And he's injected into the breast area cavity. And you can see as you inject it, it starts to fill up with the injected Creole butter, the juice that's gonna come all out is he's going, and then he's gonna go in and put some more in there. Once it goes out, then you just keep refilling it. And see, he is, I guess you could see that puffing up. And he's just going around to the different areas and injecting it. And now he is, you can see that he has put some more in there, and now he's gonna inject into the leg, into the thigh. And you can see it swelling up as he injected. And he's probably, I don't know if he's gonna use the whole jar. You see it gushing out? He's gonna use this whole, yeah, as part. But this was almost 3/4 of the jar from last time. So you probably need, probably for this 12-pound turkey, probably a jar of injector. And he's just going, he just did the wing, now he's going to the other part of the leg and thigh. And you could just see it gushing out and swelling up. And he's just filling every area as much as he can. And then he's gonna put some more in. You just pull it out, and then as you push it down in, that's when it, as it releases.
Okay, now I got
Okay, so he's gonna turn the turkey around. He has went in every area, and he has not opened that other jar yet. So now he's getting ready to open up the second jar. And he's gonna pour it into this measuring cup, so that if we probably not gonna use it, we still have something left. You could do it with chicken, your roast chicken, you could do it with duck, anything that you want to have that extra flavor. So he turned it over, and now he's gonna do the back side. And so there he is. Now he's doing the back side of the wing. And you take that injector, it has that point to it, and you put it underneath your turkey or chicken, whatever you're using, underneath the skin. And there, now he's going over into this side, into the thigh area, and get it good into that thigh area and the leg, and just doing the back side. And he's putting some more in there, and he's injecting the other side. And it's just continue all around until you got all your, as much as you want to use. And I believe for a 12-pound turkey, it should take at least 1 jar. Because we did have leftover, and you probably use a jar in that part. And what makes you think that you have enough? Just that you done covered most of the ground, like all the areas that you want to cover in the in your turkey or chicken, whatever you want to use. Just make sure you get all the areas covered. Mostly the breast is pretty big, so you do a lot in the breast. Not much to that wing. You see that wing, it'd be puffing up right there. And he's just probably go ahead. He's probably just trying to finish up what he has left in the container right now. Now I see he's going underneath that rib cage right now. Yeah, all underneath that skin. Oh yeah, you see that? See that puffing up? I can see that. Get it good.
That's about it. Okay.
And that's it for the injector part. He do have a little bit more. He's gonna try to get all of it up.
Oh well. Put it okay. Facing very ready.
Okay, so he's just using that as
Base.
a rub, a base thing right there too. And pour the rest of it off. You can pour the rest of it. There's in there on there too, in the jar. And now we're gonna use that Cajun shake. Like I said, you could try to find that at Bass Pro, some of the little sports stores, and into the fishing department. And you just shake that all around. That's yeah. This really makes it good this season. You don't have to use no salt, pepper, anything. This is all you would use, and this will be your rub. And sometimes you could find it, but recently I have not found it connected to the injector and into the base, or the injector base, into the sauce. And you flip that over, and now he's gonna he's gonna put some all around that cavity. Usually put it inside too, or okay, just on the outside. Okay, just using the rest of it that's left over and just rubbing it all over the turkey. Now we're gonna shake. And you can use a plenty. You don't have to be you don't have to be stingy with it. You just use a good amount. Like if you were seasoning your chicken. Thighs over there.
I got those. Got it from the back. It's good.
Okay, do you have to rub it in, or you don't have to rub it? Okay, so after you finish with the shake and bake, he didn't even use it all. He lifting up underneath them wings and underneath your areas, get in between. And then you would just take this, and you can either cover it with plastic, or you could just leave it and sit it. You could, like I said, if you do it overnight, you sit in the refrigerator, cover it with plastic, sit in the refrigerator overnight. But because we are going to do this today, we're going to smoke it today, we're just going to let it sit for about 4 hours and let the seasoning get in. And then we're going to smoke it for however 4 or 5 hours smoked. And you know, the deep fry, you just deep fry it according to the directions. And roasting. So you could use this for any one of those things. We have used it for duck. We have used it for chicken. And most of those items we just put on the grill, or we just might inject it and just roast the chicken with it in the oven. Okay, this is the finished product. It is ready to go in. All seasoned up, shot up and injected with this best Cajun injected Creole butter sauce. Most flavorful. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product. It has smoked for 5 hours and has a little shrinkage there. And this is the finished product. Beautifully browned. And I can't even taste it because it is not for me. But I hope the person that it is for will enjoy it. So this is the end of this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to hesitate to push that subscribe button and be part of the Deals with Lady P family. I would love to have you. Be blessed, everyone. To be a blessing. Bye-bye.